Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR tour. Today we're going over to the Boardwalk to do a Surrey Bike rental. Surrey Bikes are four-wheeled bicycles that 2 to 4 people can pedal at one time with room for 2 small passengers. You can find these special bikes over at the Boardwalk Resort or over at Saratoga Springs Resort. Now, Surrey Bikes do cost extra, it is a rental, but it's only $25 for a half-hour rental, and you'll get tons of memories with your family and friends out of it. They're a whole lot of fun, and you'll be smiling the entire time. If this was new and interesting to you, or if you're just new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell for notifications. Whether you're with your friends or family, Surrey Bikes are a great way to explore new areas of Walt Disney World. Are you a DVC member staying on Crescent Lake? Well, you might want to check out this activity because you get a discount. In the comments below, let us know if you've ever tried these before or if you'd like to try them in the future. We really enjoyed our Surrey Bike trip around the Boardwalk, and you never know what you might see along the way. Surrey Bikes at the Boardwalk and Saratoga Springs. Something affordable that you might not know that you could do at Disney. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh!